G'day DIY pool legends. Today we're just going to be talking quickly about piers and what they do and why they go in for your pool. So if you're wondering, what are these pipes sitting all the way along the side of this pool? Well, basically they're just 90mm PVC pipe pushed down until they hit natural ground, so in other words hard ground. And the reason why there's piers down this side of the pool but there isn't piers down this side is this pool's been excavated into rock, but even if it's not rock, maybe you've over excavated. As you can see here, just with the excavation, when they're pulling out rock, it blows out, so you can see that extra width that's in between where the pool wall finishes and then the actual excavation itself. So what's going to happen then is there isn't any natural earth that's sitting out over this part here, which is ultimately what your bond beam is going to sit on. And because it's not natural earth, then it's got a tendency to want to sink, and then you might have some cracking and things like that, which you definitely don't want in your bond beam. So what these piers are basically doing is it forms a base, something that's not going to move. It's just like piers that they use with bridges in rivers and everything else, and it gives the bond beam something to rest on. So what will happen is that will get cut off below here by the concreter. It will have a piece of steel go down through here. This is just tape over the top to stop dirt getting in there, and then it'll be filled with concrete, and the concrete will tie into those piers as they're putting all of their mesh and their steel in place for the concrete bond beam. Now the bond beam is going to run from underneath here, which is the concrete bond beam. So this is 200 wide and then minimum 100 proud, so it's a 300mm wide bond beam. So if you can imagine then, if the bond beam's coming to here, it now has this to sit on top of, filled with concrete, super strong, and stops any issues. It's a very cheap solution, but also a very important solution to do. So if you find your pool has been over excavated and you've got a lot of space in between the pool wall, if it's more than 200, then definitely have a think about piers. If you're not too sure, have a chat with your engineer. They're going to be able to suggest a solution as well. But this is a very low cost way and very effective way to support your bond beam so you don't have any problems in the future. All right, DIY pool legends, thanks for watching as always. Please get the word out. Letting other people know about us helps them with their DIY pool projects to come up with a fantastic outcome while also saving a bundle of money as well. Please like and subscribe if you are liking what you see, and we'll chat to you next time. Bye.